Today we're exploring the sporty side of Walt Disney World. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be having one of our most magical stays on Earth, where we show you all of the different things available at each of the different Disney World resorts. Today we are staying at All Stars Sports, which is a value resort here on property. It is themed to all things sports, so it has larger than life statues of different sporting events and different sporting games that you can do. Let's go ahead and explore All Star Sports. All Star Sports Resort embraces the high-energy vibe of your favorite sports at every turn. With larger-than-life sports equipment and themed sections representing baseball in the Home Run Hotel area, basketball in the Hoops Hotel area, football in the Touchdown section, surfing in the Surf's Up section, and tennis in the center court section. Let's go ahead and get into the rooms and the pricing. This is a value resort. There are fewer amenities, but the price point makes up for it. Rooms at All Star Sports can range from $133 a night in the value season to $347 during peak season like the holidays. This pricing does not include any discounts. We used an annual pass holder discount and were able to get this room for $89 a night, which is crazy low in my opinion for Disney resorts. The rooms here are comfortable and cozy, with playful Disney touches like the mural above the bed and the artwork inside the table Murphy bed. Also, some rooms can connect, making it possible for larger families to stay closer together. There are two room categories, standard and preferred. Preferred is going to be closer to Stadium Hall and the main pool, where standard view is going to be a little bit further away, possibly looking at the parking lot. We stayed in a standard room in the Touchdown area of the resort. If you want to see a full room tour, take a look at the video linked in the description below. Since I just mentioned pools, let's go over the two here at All Star Sports. Surfboard Bay is the main pool where you can find all the main recreation activities, the pool bar called Grandstand Spirits, and the kiddie pool area, which was under refurbishment when we were there. The Grand Slam pool is the quieter pool, which was closer to the section that we stayed at. There are an abundance of chaise lounges, tables and chairs, and this pool was not very busy when we were there. Very quiet, relaxing, and Jonathan really enjoyed it. There definitely is something to keep the kids entertained here. From the oversized chess set and checkers boards, a cute little playground tucked away in a wooded area, movies under the stars, and nightly marshmallow toasting. There's also Game Point Arcade located inside Stadium Hall that has some really awesome games. The only dining option here is the End Zone food court. Open from morning to night, it offers everything from burgers and sandwiches to salads, stir fries, and desserts. Quick, casual, and filled with variety, it's a fan favorite pit stop. Dive into sports themed shopping at Sport Goofy's Gifts and Sundries. Whether it's seasonal merchandise, souvenirs, Disney apparel, or even the basic necessities, this shop has got you covered. I really enjoy the gift shops at these value resorts. They always have a really good variety. Not so great for my wallet, but I am one happy boy when I leave. Last up, let's talk about transportation. Like most of the value resorts, you'll have to rely on the buses to get you to and from the parks or Disney Springs. Now I know that that's an issue for some people, but the buses were quick and efficient. The cast members are always super nice and really great at their jobs. I have no complaints about the bus system when we were there at All Star Sports. Well, that's going to do it for our stay here at All Star Sports. If you have stayed at this resort, let us know what you liked about it. Did you like the room? Did you like all the different sports theming? Did you like all the different amenities and different recreation? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more most magical stays on Earth. Until next time, bye friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.